Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Studios Thor Love and Thunder, The Mighty Thor. Cost baby, nabiling ko lang to ma'am, sir, ng around 390 pesos. Dati siyang 1299 sa Philbars Multiverse, SM North EDSA. And shout out to Sir Sai. Nandun siya nung binili ko to. And we also have a video regarding sa more information about Philbars Multiverse or gusto niyo pumunta sa Philbars Multiverse sa SM North, so, punta lang kayo doon. Super friendly ng mga staff. Thank you, Sir Sai. Okay? This one is the Mighty Thor out of the box. Very nice. This is the bobblehead version of Jane Foster. Very nice eyes. Ganda ng paint sa eyes. Then you have the mole sa lower part ng kanyang head armor. Head armor is silver. Tapos, ayan, meron din siyang gold na base nakalagay Thor, Love, and Thunder. Yun yung logo ng Marvel na movie. Then, very nice armor. You have the cape. Wala siyang articulation. Tama nga ba? Wala nga ba? Oh, wala. Then, you have the Mjolnir na merong I think may mga damage na effects. I think this one is the lightning effect. Tapos ito parang damage effect. Okay, tapos you have the gauntlets. Very nice hair sa likod. Tapos, very nice cape too. Red cape, silver armor, tapos gunmetal na armor din. And then you have the yeah, excuse me, circular silver na mga circle segments or parts dun sa armor niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces. Tapos you have the waist armor. Ito parang maroon type. Inner suit is black. Tapos meron din siyang shin guards na silver. And you have the little feet. Very nice. Maganda tong nilagay nila dito sa likod para ma-display natin siya ng naka-flight pose. And super, super cool ng head niya. Laki ng head niya. Ito yung proportion ng Host Baby. Ganda ng head design, ng head armor design. Look at that. Yung finish niya, metallic. Then you have the red symbols here, red symbols. Very nice eyes, okay? Very, very cool. If you are a fan of Jane Foster, Marvel, or Thor, you can definitely add this to your collection, okay? So yun lang mga mom sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!